the next problem. If u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, show that dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z the whole square into u is equal to minus 9 into x plus y plus z the whole square. We need to prove this one, right? So what is given? Solution. What is given? U is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z, isn't it? Therefore, the right hand side having three variables. So we need to differentiate u with respect to partially x, y, z, x, y and z. So dou u by dou x. I am going to differentiate u with respect to x, y, z partially, right? So dou z by dou x is equal to, what is log of x? 1 by x. So log of this function becomes 1 by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz into chain rule function. So derivative of the terms inside the bracket with respect to x. So that becomes 3x square. This term becomes 0 plus 0 minus 3 into x becomes 1. 1 into yz becomes yz. Isn't it? So that can be written as 3x square minus 3yz divided by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy and z. Right? So this is the value of dou u by dou x. I call it as equation number 1. Same like that. What is dou u by dou y? Similarly, we can write it as dou u by dou y is equal to what? 3x becomes y. So 3y square minus 3 into y becomes z. Z becomes x by the denominator is same, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. If you replace x by y, y by z and z by x, you will get the same term. I write it in same order. Okay. So I call this equation number 2 and dou u by dou z is equal to 3. Y becomes z square minus 3, z becomes x becomes y. Isn't it? X, y, z. X becomes y becomes z becomes x. Okay. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. Called as equation number 3. Now add all the three. Right? So what you got? 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 implies dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to, so in the right hand side the denominator is same for each and every term, isn't it? Minus 3xy is just we can add the numerator alone. So 3x square minus 3yz plus 3y square minus 3zx plus 3z square minus 3xy, isn't it? We can take 3 as common and rearrange the terms inside the bracket. It becomes x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. The denominator becomes x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay? Right? Now, that is equal to, keep the numerator same, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx divided by, this is of the form a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is the value in algebraic identity? What is the value of this term in algebraic identity? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, so just you replace a by x and b by y and c by z, you can get this term in the denominator. So this can be written as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Or simply you can keep it into your mind as x plus y plus z in the denominator. Okay, just you write the numerator as usually, right? So we can cancel both of the two. So what will get? 3 by x plus y plus z is the value of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z. I call it as equation number 4. Right? That's all. Now I am going to differentiate. Differentiate 4 partially with respect to x. What you will get? So dou by dou x of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to, what is in the right hand side? It is in the form of 1 by x. So minus 1 by x square is the derivative. So minus 3 by x plus y plus z the whole square into derivative of x plus y plus z becomes 1 plus y becomes 0 plus z becomes 0. Simply the value becomes 1, isn't it? No need to write it. So this is the value of the right hand side derivative with respect to x. I call this equation number 5. Similarly, dou by dou y of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to, you will get the same one in the right hand side with respect to x or with respect to y or with respect to z. You will get the same result, isn't it? So the denominator becomes same, minus 3 by x plus y plus z whole square, and the derivative of x plus y plus z becomes 0 plus 1 plus 0. It is again 1, you can leave it. So you will get minus 3 by x plus y plus z the whole square is same. Right? So according to equation number 6. Similarly, dou by dou z of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z equal to minus 3 by the same x plus y plus z the whole square. Called as equation number 7. So add 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, add 5, 6 and 7. You can get the answer. Right? So 5, 6 plus 7 implies. What do we get? What is in the left hand side? These three terms are in the left hand side and having this as common, isn't it? Dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z as common for all these three terms. So after taking this as common, so these three are remaining. So what is remaining? Dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z is remaining. After taking this as common, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z. What is in the right hand side? Adding 5, 6 and 7, the denominator is same, so we can add the numerator. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 becomes minus 9 by x plus y plus z the whole square, right? That's all. What is in the left hand side? In the second term of the left hand side, we can take u as common, right? So taking u as common, the second term becomes dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z into dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z into u. So taking u as common from the second term. Right? That's all. So taking the product means that this becomes square, isn't it? So dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z the whole square into u is equal to minus 9 by x plus y plus z the whole square. So that is we need, okay, that is we need to prove, right? So that's all. So up to this problem, we completed almost each and every problem in total derivative of the function in two variables. So okay, in the next session we will pass through Jacobians. Jacobians is the most important topic in multiple integrals. Okay, so we will discuss Jacobians in next session. Thank you.